Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt, tōku ingoa. I've been painting the bricks on our fireplace and I thought this is a good opportunity to talk about some of the words around that and the sentence. So paint is peita. Paintbrush is paraihe peita. So it's the word brush first because it's what kind of a brush is it? It's a paintbrush, so it's a brush for paint. Paraihe peita. The fireplace is pākaiahi. Pākaiahi. So if I wanted to say I will paint the fireplace, that would be ka for the future. Ka peita aho I te pākaiahi. I will paint the fireplace. If I'm currently painting it, it's kei te peita aho I te pākaiahi. There are other ways of saying that as well. I'm just going with the simple one. And if I've just painted it, which is what I have done, just painted it, it's just I have done something. Kua. Kua peita aho I te pākaiahi. And if it was like 2 weeks later and somebody said, oh, what have you done? I could say, I painted. So it's a while ago. And that would be I peita aho I te pākaiahi. Ka kite.